Aloe vera is another plant sold as unkillable, and yet thin, floppy, pale aloe plants are everywhere. The truth is aloe has very specific needs that are almost the opposite of what people do with typical houseplants. Get those details wrong and the plant survives, but never really thrives. Let's start with the mistake that causes the most damage. Aloe vera stores water in its thick leaves and needs the soil to dry out completely, often for 2 to 3 weeks, before watering again. Soft, mushy, discolored leaves near the base are a sign of overwatering and early root rot. When in doubt, wait longer, since underwatering is far easier for aloe to recover from than overwatering. Regular potting soil retains too much moisture for aloe and leads to root rot even with careful watering. A cactus or succulent mix, well draining and gritty, is essential. Mixing an extra perlite or coarse sand to a standard mix works as a budget option if a specialty mix is not available. Thin, pale, or floppy aloe leaves almost always mean the plant is not getting enough direct light. Unlike many houseplants, aloe wants several hours of bright, direct sunlight daily to stay thick and compact. A south-facing windowsill is usually the best indoor spot, and leaves will visibly plump up and turn a richer green within a few weeks of more light. But the next mistake happens the moment people move it outside. Moving an aloe plant straight from indoor light into full outdoor summer sun can burn the leaves, causing orange or brown discoloration within a day. Introduce it to outdoor sun gradually over 1 to 2 weeks, starting with a few hours of morning light and increasing from there. This prevents damage while still building up the plant's sun tolerance. A decorative pot with no drainage hole is one of the fastest ways to kill an aloe plant, since excess water has nowhere to go and sits directly at the roots. Always use a pot with a drainage hole, or keep the aloe in a plastic nursery pot placed inside the decorative one. This one detail prevents most root rot before it starts. Aloe vera's gel is genuinely useful for minor skin soothing, but only the clear inner gel, never the yellow sap just under the skin, which can be irritating. Cut a mature outer leaf close to the base, slice it open, and scoop out the clear gel directly. Only take a leaf occasionally so the plant has time to regrow. So the difference between a thin, sad aloe and a thick, healthy one almost always comes down to sunlight and watering discipline, not luck. Get the light strong, the soil fast draining, and the watering patient, and this plant will thrive for years while giving you a useful gel supply on the side. If you want the complete guide with a troubleshooting chart for common aloe problems, it is linked in the description below.